What's going on, guys? Are y'all in the market for a tailgate light bar, but you're not really crazy about adhering it to the back of your truck? Well, OPT7 is always innovating, and they've come out with some heavy-duty magnets that will stick to the light bar and then stick to your truck. So if you've been around the channel, you know I've already installed one of OPT7's light bars on the back of my truck. I'm gonna show you how to remove it, and then I'm gonna show you how to use the magnets if you wanna go that route. First, take your tailgate off. Now we're gonna take an auto trim removal tool and start to peel this back. Well, I was able to get that started, but I'm gonna have to take a little bit more of a drastic measure and grab a hammer. If you're worried about this light bar coming off with the adhesive, don't, because it is very tough to pry this off. Well, I finally got it off, and this guy still works. So OPT7 light bars can take a beating and still work. So let me get the back of the truck cleaned up and we'll work on installing the new light bar. This is the light bar we took off, and this is the new one we're gonna install. This has the amber color instead of the red. The one I had on there was a 2-piece. The one I'm installing is one solid piece. So let's get to that now. Flip the bar over. We wanna install the magnets. Make sure you evenly distribute them. Take a Sharpie and outline each magnet. Take a razor blade on the marks and cut that to reveal the adhesive. Peel that back. Take your first magnet and press firmly down on the adhesive. Go ahead and go down the bar and cut out each section and apply the magnets. We've got all the magnets on. Let's stick it on the truck. Take your cables that come from the light bar and stick them straight down this way. Take the light bar, line it up halfway. And there you go. It definitely sticks strongly to the back of that tailgate. After you attach the light bar to your truck, but notice it's a little uneven, you can easily remove the bar and use the magnets to reattach it until you're satisfied with the placement. It's a lot easier to move it back and forth into position. You can't really do that with the adhesive. As far as the wiring, it's very simple. I've got the Easy Connect harness. So on the Easy Connect side, you'll have a plug just like this. You'll plug that in, and then also you'll have the reverse light. So this is the connections from the light bar, and then the Easy Connect harness has the exact same connections. You won't do any splicing into your truck. Again, this is your Easy Connect harness, and this is the light bar connection. You plug those straight in like you would a trailer light. And the other loose wire on the Easy Connect harness is for the reverse connection. We'll take this connection from the light bar and this connection from the Easy Connect harness and solder them together. Well, as far as installation, we are all good. So I turned on the hazards and she's working. So I love those magnets because it was really easy to line that up. And if I need to make any adjustments, I can. Let's check out the bar once it gets dark. Well, good job OPT7 for making it a lot easier for people to install tailgate light bars. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.